In this video, we are going to learn how to combine sentences by using who, which, that. These are also called relative clauses. Here, who is used to refer persons, which and that are used to refer things or animals. Here we are going to learn model number 1, how to combine sentences by using who or which. Here I am going to explain it with two rules. Rule number 1. First, look at the question. There are two sentences. Look at the subjects of the two sentences. If the subjects of the two sentences are different, then write the first sentence and place the conjunction at the end of the first sentence. Now, go to the second sentence. Remove the subject of the second sentence and place the remaining part next to the conjunction who or which. That's it. Now, let's have a look at the examples. Look at the first question. I know a man. The man has come from London. The subject of the first sentence is I. The second sentence is the man. Here the two subjects are different. So what we have to do? Write the first sentence as it is. I know a man. Now place the conjunction who at the end of the first sentence, because we are talking about a man. That's why who. Now go to the second sentence. What is the subject of the second sentence? The man. Remove the man and place the remaining part next to the conjunction. Has come from London. Keep the full stop at the end of the sentence. That would be the answer. I know a man who has come from London. Second one. He saw a tiger, first sentence. It was wounded, the second sentence. He is the subject of the first sentence. It is the subject of the second sentence. Both are different. That's why write the first sentence as it is. He saw a tiger. Place the conjunction which, because we are talking about an animal here, which. Next, remove the subject of the second sentence. What is the subject? It. Remove it. Write the remaining part as it is. Was wounded. Now the answer is he saw a tiger which was wounded. In the same way, we can do the remaining sentences. Look at the given examples. Let's discuss the second model. Here we have three rules to combine sentences by using who or which. Rule number 1. Look at the question. If the two subjects of the two sentences are same, then place the conjunction who or which next to the subject of the first sentence by using comma. This is the first rule. The second rule is write the remaining part of the first sentence next to the conjunction and use a comma at the end of it. This is the second rule. And the third rule is go to the second sentence, remove the subject of the second sentence, write the remaining part of the second sentence next to the comma. That would be the answer. Let's have a look at the examples. Here the two sentences have the same subject, the thief. So what we have to do? Write the thief. Place comma. Next use conjunction who, because we are referring to a person. Write the remaining part of the first sentence next to the conjunction who. Stole the watch. Use comma at the end of it. Then go to the second sentence. Remove the subject of the second sentence and write the remaining part next to the comma and keep the full stop at the end of the sentence. That would be the answer. Let's have a look at the second example. Here the Bhagavad Gita is the subject of the first sentence and it is the subject of the second sentence. Both refer the same. So we use the Bhagavad Gita as the subject and use comma next to it. Here we are referring to a book, that's why use which. Write the remaining part of the first sentence. Is an epic. Place comma next to it. Go to the second sentence. Remove the subject it. Then place the remaining part of the sentence. Is read by me. Keep the full stop at the end of the sentence. The Bhagavad Gita, which is an epic, is read by me. Once check the remaining examples with the 3 rules.